Hello my friends, today we are working on this beautiful toy 2001 Z3 and we got a little helper right here. Good little doggy. We are going to polish our headlights. Look at that. Goodness, they look murky. Whoa, excuse me. And we got this little kit right here. We got the paste, finishing product. We got a little tape action already taped here, and we're gonna start with 800, then go to 1200, and with a 2000 buffet. First of all, we're going to clean out the headlights with a drill and a little water. I think the crack's a little too deep on the headlights. Well, it's 2001. I'm gonna end up probably changing them, get some nice new lights going. But for now, I just wanna test the product. Just wanna sand it as much as possible. Okay, so we're done with 800. Let's go to 1200. Actually, I'm gonna put it on the drill. $1200 it is, and this is 2000 now. I still can see a little cracks, but it's an old headlight for sure. Let's get to step 2. Ooh, look like a little clay. Kind of look like a crab. Hi, Malia, you little helper. Okay, so my drill is charging. Man, good thing this clay doesn't smell like crap. It smells good actually. It smells like nothing. Okay, we are doing now by hand. One time. Molly, I should have used you as a polisher. Just kidding, sweetie. She even got a little driver license action. Okay, well, I wouldn't say you see a thermonuclear supernatural difference, but it's just a little bit better, I guess. Yeah, a little bit better. Okay, let's do same thing to the other headlight, and then we are going to put the finished product. Okay, so headlights look like they are nice and dry. Let's apply the step number 3, last one. This little liquid directly on the lens. Oh boy. We got a little sponge. Put it evenly. You want to make sure you're doing this in the shadow somewhere away from directed sunlight for like 1.5 hours. Then you want to put it on the sunlight so it would seal. It would be nice and dry. And also once you apply it, make sure there is no moisture. Do not use the car wash for another 24 hours. Well, and you are all done. Please like, subscribe, and have a blessed day.